Hello everybody, this is my oral presentation for English 2 Task 4 topics. First, I'm going to introduce myself. Second, I'm going to talk about my trip experience in Esmeralda, Ecuador. 3, I'm going to talk about the weather in Esmeralda. And 4, I'm going to say some recommendation if you want to go to Esmeralda. First, my name is Maria Natalia Salazar Valenzuela. I'm 27 years old. I was raised and born in Popayán, Cauca. Right now, I work as an administrative assistant at the University of Cauca. I live with my family, and I have a dog and 2 cats. I like to take walks with my dog, and I like to listening to music. Well, I'm going to talk about my trip experience in Ecuador. Okay, last New Year vacation, I went to this beach in Esmeralda, Ecuador. I stayed there for almost a week, and I went with my boyfriend and some friends. I like it because it was so nice, cheap, and calm, and I just paid $10 per night, and the food was great. And we enjoyed the beach. We went to some beach closures, and at night we relaxed in the pool on the jacuzzi or the jacuzzi in the hotel. Well, some recommendation if you want to go there is it's a good idea to wear sunblock and umbrella. It's a good idea to wear a coat in the afternoon. It's a good idea to bring games to the beach, and it's important that people be careful that walk on the beach at night. And it's recommended that people investigate the prices the different places to make sure that we are not robbing you, they are not robbing you. It's necessary to people use a GPS for all the trip, and it's necessary that people know that if you want to go in a car to Esmeralda is a long trip, almost 12 hours from Popayán, and it's important to people know that the food is so basic and there are no many restaurants. Okay, it's a good idea if you want to go there that you should book flights on the trip at time if you want to go on an airplane. You should take your identification card. You should plan things to see and do there, and you shouldn't respect their culture. You shouldn't not use a lot of cash, and you shouldn't not go some places like bars on your own. And there was everything I want to talk about my trip experience. Goodbye.